Hi everybody, my name is Justin Groenert. I'm the Vice President of Public Policy for the Chattanooga Area Chamber of Commerce. Thank you for joining us today at Expo. I'm here to provide you with a public policy update. The public policy priorities for the Chattanooga Area Chamber include economic development, education and workforce development, transportation and infrastructure, public safety, and healthcare. These are the areas that we focus on as we advocate on your behalf to our federal, state, and local delegations. We spent time in Nashville this year at the beginning of the year lobbying on behalf of bills that fit into these buckets that we feel are important for the business community here in Chattanooga. Obviously, in mid-March, the COVID-19 pandemic kind of changed everything that we were doing. The legislature went on recess at the end of March. I was sent back home to Chattanooga and worked remotely as we watched the end of that first wave of session. And our focus obviously shifted to the federal government response to the pandemic. Our other focus was to become the trusted source of information coming out of both Washington and Nashville as it pertained to policies and programs to help you during this unprecedented time. So one thing that we started to do was our daily public policy updates. We have over 400 subscribers right now, and we keep track daily of federal, state, and local programs and legislation, and keep track of public policy decisions that are being made at both the White House and in Nashville. For more information on how to join, I'll give you my email address here at the end. Obviously, the focus areas as the pandemic struck were the CARES Act, which was the big federal package that Congress put out. Specifically within the CARES Act, the Paycheck Protection Program, which was a key program to help businesses stay afloat while the economy was shut down earlier this year. Liability reform has become a real key piece of legislation to help you as you navigate these uncertain times, and we're obviously tracking legislation that pertain to these areas. The CARES Act included the Paycheck Protection Program and the Emergency Impact Disaster Loans through the Department of Treasury and the Small Business Administration. Many of you participated in these programs that helped you keep your businesses afloat during the initial wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Paycheck Protection Program has officially closed for now as of August 8th, 2020. Nationally, 5,212,128 loans were given out to small businesses and nonprofits, totaling $525 billion. The average loan size for nationally was $101,000. In Tennessee, we saw 99,579 loans, totaling roughly $9 billion in help for our businesses. Again, those were loans that will turn into a grant as long as the parameters of the program were met. At the state level, Governor Lee announced the formation of the Tennessee Small Business Relief Program. In June, Governor Lee announced that the use of federal dollars that came out of the CARES Act were to be used to help Tennessee small businesses impacted by the COVID-19 crisis. Governor Lee directed the Tennessee Department of Revenue to issue business relief payments through the Tennessee Business Relief Program to small businesses for costs incurred as a result of the mandatory business closures that were put into place through his executive orders early on in the pandemic. Please note they have sent out notifications for those businesses that qualify. You can check online at tn.gov/revenue/Tennessee-business-relief-program.html to see if you qualify, and then to formally go through the TNTAP website to formally request your relief program. These payments will range anywhere from $2,500 to $30,000. Also, liability reform became a real focus for our lobbying efforts. Our focus was on a timely, targeted, and temporary reform to protect businesses complying with health and safety guidelines from frivolous lawsuits. The governor called a special session after the end of the original legislative session that ended in June to tackle liability reform. House Bill 8001 was passed by the legislature and signed into law by Governor Lee. The bill, the Tennessee COVID-19 Recovery Act, bars COVID-19 related causes of action against persons or entities unless the plaintiff proves by clear and convincing evidence that the defendant acted with gross negligence or willful misconduct. Unlike previous liability bills, the Tennessee COVID-19 Recovery Act would require plaintiffs in COVID-19 related legal claims to file both a verified complaint and a certificate of good faith instead of just one or the other. This would apply to all COVID-19 related legal claims that were not filed or noticed as of the date of Governor Lee's special session proclamation, which was August 3rd. So what's next? Congress has started the initial phase of negotiations on a Phase 4 package, likely to renew programs like the Paycheck Protection Program, likely will include an additional stimulus payment that would go directly to taxpayers, amongst other priorities. The House passed a $3 trillion package called the HEROES Act earlier this year. The Senate, sort of out of hand, discounted that effort as being way too expensive. Some of the priorities that the House has are more funding for state and local governments, and obviously extending the unemployment benefit. The Senate has said unilaterally that liability reform will continue to be a key priority for any package moving forward. So at this point, the Senate has put together a $1 trillion package, the House has put together a $3 trillion package, and all parties have been trying to sort of whittle down an agreement. Currently, the negotiations are on hold. They've not gone particularly well. As we get into an election year and we're in full election cycle, that is probably to be expected. However, with Congress needing to pass some budgetary bills by mid-September, we are hopeful that some sort of a package will be put together in mid-September so that we can continue to provide the relief that you all need as you continue to weather the storm of COVID-19. That's my policy update. I'm Justin Groenert, Vice President of Public Policy. If you're interested in joining our email list, please email me at justingroenert@chattanoogachamber.com. Our daily policy updates come out Monday through Thursday and give you the most recent and accurate information on policies and legislative activity that is important to you. So please email me, let me know how we can help, and I look forward to working with you all as we continue to fight through this pandemic and get on the other side of it.
Hi, I'm April Steele, Director of Sales Operations at Paragon Printing. We've been rocking print since 2003 throughout all 50 states. We are one of the largest print producers in the state of Tennessee, and we're 3M and G7 certified because we believe that your brand deserves quality and color consistency with each and every run. Our specialties are design, business signage, installation, and vehicle graphics. To learn more about us and see our work, check us out at paragonprinting.biz.
Hello, I'm Mark Isom, President and CEO of Premier Building Maintenance Corporation. Headquartered in Knoxville, Tennessee, we have over 24 years of industry experience in janitorial, building maintenance, mobile maintenance, and grounds and landscaping. We are a minority certified award-winning company with a strong reputation for excellence. Please visit Premier at our virtual booth to learn more about how we have become a leader in facility services.
I'm Carolyn Rose Miller, and I'm the creator of the supporting cast. The supporting cast recognizes and celebrates the administrative professional, not just in April, but every day. We're a local company whose mission is to help the administrative professional grow in their position, enjoy what they do, and make every day a fun and fulfilling adventure. The administrative professional is a member of your supporting cast, so let me show you how to give them the red carpet treatment and shine bright as the office star.
Hi, my name is Paul Webb, a banking center manager with First Horizon. As a small business owner, you've likely felt the pressure of this challenging time. Shutdowns, restrictions, impacts to workers, it's been unprecedented. Well, at First Horizon, we've helped thousands of businesses like yours quickly pivot and build a more certain future. Whether you need tools to manage cash, lending resources to grow, or even financial wellness resources for your employees, First Horizon can help you connect the dots. Contact us today and let's get started together.
First Volunteer Bank is a community bank, and the best way I can describe that is the money that our customers bring in goes right back out to the communities that we serve. One thing that we do every year is our Tailgate-a-Palooza, where we raise thousands of cans for the hungry in our area and the local food banks. We also take it upon ourselves to get to know our customers a little bit more. We know what they like, we know their dogs' names, their kids' names, their birthdays. We really enjoy getting to know our customers and just being really involved in the community.
First Bank is proud to be a part of the Chattanooga Chamber 2020 Virtual Business Expo. Our commitment of local banking and local decisions helps support the businesses and people in Chattanooga to grow and thrive. We believe in teamwork, and as the official bank of UTC Mocs and the Chattanooga Lookouts, as well as the Chattanooga Football Club, we want to be your local partner, whether it be mortgage,
private banking,
consumer,
or commercial banking.
We are here for you. Visit us at one of our 12 Chattanooga area locations or at www.firstbankonline.com.
Keep going.
No, I'm done.
My daughter's tired of being my muse. Normally, my company does 30 shoots a year. This year's a little different.
That's what we're here for, Neil. I've got several ways to help you and your business.
Come on, Daddy, come on.
When life takes you out of your comfort zone, an appointment with your Regions banker, in person or on the phone, can help you understand your options and brave the beginning.
TVFCU was founded in Chattanooga during the 1930s as a small, not-for-profit financial cooperative. Since that time, TVFCU has grown locally into a full-service financial institution, serving more than 155,000 members. From car loans to mortgages and checking with perks. Come on, people, open your eyes to a credit union today and just visit tvfcu.com.
In life, change is a constant. While none of us can predict the future, we can prepare for what may lie ahead. At Acumen Wealth Advisors, it is our goal to be one of your most trusted advisors and to help you invest intentionally. Our mission is simple: protect legacies, grow assets, and to always put you first. We're driven by our desire to make an impact in our clients' lives and in our community, and we want to help you invest intentionally. Start your journey today at acumenwealth.com.